How to register for Shein account. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Shein app in your device. Now launch it. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Me. At the top you will see the option of sign in or register. Click on it. Now from this page you can easily register for your account. Firstly you can select your country. Click on this drop down. After you select your country, over here you have to type in your mobile number or email address. After you type in your email address, click on continue. Now you have to generate password for your account. Make sure your password fulfill all of these requirements. Once you fill this, check in for this option and then click on register. Now over here you can type in your phone number and you will be receiving verification code in the number that you have just entered over here, and then click on submit, or also you can skip it. For now I'm gonna skip this process, and with that your account will be created. So this is how you can register for a Shein account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.